Hello. Oh, come on. Do the thumbnail. No, I can't do the thumbnail because I haven't opened it yet. Right, stopped. You stopped? Shh. Right. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with an unboxing video for you. Now, if you've watched my channel for a little while, you'll know that I'm a massive fan of the shop Tiger, or Flying Tiger Copenhagen, as I think it's now called. And basically they reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in receiving some of their new products to show you guys and to post onto my Instagram. So of course I said yes, because I absolutely love the store. As you will have seen in my vlogs, I can't even help going into their stores when I'm abroad, even though they've probably got all the same stock as they have here in London. I just can't resist it every time I go past. And the other great thing about Tiger is they actually get in, I think it's 300 new products every single month. So what I thought I would do in this video is show you everything and get this uploaded as quickly as I can. So if there's anything that you fancy from what I've shown you, you can go to your local Tiger store and hopefully it will still be in store. I do think that their prices are really good as well. They're not too expensive in there. Okay, let's get into the box and see. Oh, hang on. Before we get going, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, here is the box. Dear Ewan, please find enclosed the Update Your Home collection from Flying Tiger Copenhagen. Thank you very much, Flying Tiger Copenhagen. I've got some bubble wrap. I will be reusing that, of course. Right, let's see. Okay, first things first. So this is called the Pood cushion, and this is 30 by 50 centimeters. So it's a decent size. Does it say anything else that I need to tell you that's important? You can wash this at 30 degrees and it's made of polyester and cotton. So there we go. So yeah, it's got this really nice Aztec-y design on the front, these kind of diamond shapes, and yeah, nice black and white monochrome design, and I like the little flex kind of stripes going through it as well. Oh, it's fitting right in already, isn't it? Kind of goes with the blanket back here. That's very up my street. We'll update the backdrop as we're doing this. Right, I'm going to put the box down. This is so exciting. I have got no idea what's in this box, by the way. Literally no idea. They said, do you want to come into the store for a little look around and pick out some stuff, or do you want like a box of things sent to you? And I said, I'll have a box of things sent to me, please, because it's just fun receiving things in the post. And I thought it'd be quite nice to see what they pick out, as opposed to, like, I always buy the same kind of stuff. So I thought it'd be interesting to see. Oh, I've seen this before. I think I showed you this in that vlog when I went to Venice. How about that? Oh, it's doing that weird thing with my face. I'll try not to make it too unflattering. Yeah, so this is a gold and then a lacquered black inlay tray. How about that? Bottle, glass. Do a little, oh, that's better. Why didn't I do that? Drinks area, or you could do fragrances and have your little fragrance collection, or you could do a few nice candles on there perhaps and put it on a side table and it would reflect them instead of my chin. I feel like they know my taste. That's very up my street as well. I might pop that on the bar cart, or maybe just on the side table here. I could put a few knickknacks on it. Knickknacks. Don't know why I'm saying knickknacks. Sorry for all the squeaking going on down below. Ooh. Now this is a nice idea and something that I haven't ever had. This looks like a soap dispenser. Yeah, it is a soap dispenser. That is exactly what it is. So this soap dispenser is in this lovely blue glass, and it's got the gold pump lid on the top. Really, really nice. And it fits 220 mils of soap. I'm not sure if that's a standard soap amount, but yeah, maybe I'll be able to buy some bigger containers and refill things into here. Or I can just tip the cheap ones in and no one will know what they are. Oh my goodness, you can't believe this. You cannot make this up. Look what they've got. How about that, can you see it? It's a cactus Memo board with clips on it. That is incredible. Let's take it out of its plastic so you can see it a bit better. I'm actually using, I wanted to show you these as well. These are what I actually bought while I was in Venice, these scissors. And these are £2, which I thought was really good. They're very similar to the ones made by Hay, which are a little bit more pricey. Well, quite a lot more pricey actually. So I thought these are a really good kind of copy of those. I don't know if it's deliberate or not, but they are very similar. Oh wow, this is so cool. Memo board with clips. Brilliant, so you can just attach it to the wall like that. I love it, absolutely love that. This is incredible. It's a door hook cactus. It's called a hooks on the label. Wow, is it a hook? Can you hang things on that? That bit goes over the door, right? I guess you could hang things on the arms, just bend those out a little bit. Is that what you're meant to do we think? Let's have a look. It just says hooks. I guess you could hang bits over these because they stick out a little bit once it's on the door. How cool is that? It doesn't matter anyway, I'll just hang it over the door anyway because it looks cool. Another cactus, yay! There's another cactus thing. This is a tea infuser. This is brilliant. So you put the tea inside the pot and you dip it in like that, can you see? This is dishwasher, microwave, oven and freezer. Good to go. You'll be pleased to know. Let's have a little look. So it's kind of silicone-y and, oh yeah, you just pop that out and put the tea in. So you can put some loose tea in there. I've got loads of loose tea that I never get around to drinking. So that's going to be really handy. And it'll just stick out the top of your mug like that. It honestly feels like Christmas Day today. Okay, I think this is to go with the bathroom thing, is it? They go together? Yeah, I think they would. So this is a green container, and I think this is probably to put like facial swabs, is that what you call them? Cotton pads in, or something like that. Or maybe you could put cotton buds in there. Yeah, they'd probably fit in there quite nicely. Or what else could we store in there? Let me know what you think. That's really nice. I like the greeny glass, and I think it goes really nicely with the blue. So I'll be able to put those together on the bathroom shelf. My bathroom's dark grey, by the way. I don't know if you'll have seen my bathroom. You would have seen my bathroom if you saw my how to get rid of bathroom mould on your silicone sealant, which is one of my finer moments here on YouTube. But yeah, if you want to have a nosy at my bathroom, you can go and have a look at that. It's kind of like dark grey with grey tiles. So these will look quite good with that, I think. And I guess you could also take the lid off and pop a tea light in there and just have it as a little coaster and sit a candle in there. Maybe that's what it's for, but it doesn't actually say on it. It just says glazing pot. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful. This vase has got kind of like a knitted design going around, so it looks like it's been, yeah, kind of all knitted basically, but that's just the print on the glaze. Really, really nice. It doesn't say its name, so I can't tell you what it's called. We'll call it a small vase, and yeah, you'd fit a few nice stems in that, I think. So quite small, but I think that's really cool. It looked nice grouped together with some other things. Let's put it in over here for context, so you can kind of see how small it is. Like, that's a mug. Not that's a mug, in case you didn't know. What is it? This is a large mug, so I don't want to put it next to that one because it'll be confusing, because that's an oversized mug. That's a pumpkin, in case you didn't know. That's it next to, pumpkins come in different sizes. This is it next to my hand. Okay, it's quite small. My hands are relatively large. That's it next to a pair of scissors. Do you get the idea? That's it next to my head. Yep, very nice. Ah, brilliant. I love things like this. These are called Clem. They're essentially Bulldog Clips. And you've got a big one here in gold. Very nice. And a smaller one here in black. These would be great for a little DIY. I might attach these to a board, and then you could peg a card on with a nice quote or something, or a nice print, and just have it clipped on. These would also be good for kind of putting receipts in, wouldn't they, on your desk, and just stopping them from blowing away. I literally don't believe this. It's like they know me. How about that? Do any of you recognise this? If you've been watching my channel, what does this remind you of? So this is a metal tortoise, or is it turtle? And yeah, if you've been watching my channel and you've seen the recent DIYs that I did, you may think that this looks vaguely familiar. Shall I go and get his friend? Where are you? Over here, right, let me just go and get him. So this is what I upcycled recently in the thrift shop upcycle video, this tortoise. Apparently this is from, a viewer told me, I think from Marks and Spencer's originally, but from many years ago, M&S I think it was M&S were doing these. This was white and I sprayed it gold. And then Tiger brought out a little mate for him. So these are gonna live together now, I think. They can be best buddies. Oh wow. Now, we've done the cactuses, now we've got succulents. Succulent candles, so these are tea lights, and there's also some more cactuses as well. I always think with ones like this it feels like a shame to burn them. I just want to display them somewhere. I don't have the prices for anything, I'm afraid, so if I find them I'll link them below, or yeah, obviously feel free to have a look on the Tiger website or in store. I'm not entirely sure what this is because it doesn't have a tag on it, but I think it's for the kitchen to put hot things on because it's got the little feet on it. So I think it sits like that and you can put something on it. Am I right? I'm not sure. But yeah, it's kind of made of metal. And it's got this design which looks like a tulip, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, let me know what that is, because I'm not actually sure, but it's very nice. I guess, yeah, I'm thinking it goes on the kitchen side and you can put something on that. So that is everything. I want to say a massive thank you to Flying Tiger Copenhagen for sending me this stuff, and hopefully you all like it and it might have inspired you to pop in there and pick out some pieces for yourself. I do think they are really reasonable and their stuff is decent quality. Oh, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. I also picked up this when I was in Venice. Nearly forgot that. This is a pen holder. I think this was €2 as well. I just thought I'd show you that quickly, as it's also from Flying Tiger and it's probably in store at the moment as well. But yeah, thank you so much Flying Tiger Copenhagen for sending me all of these things. I'm really looking forward to styling these up around our home. So what I will do, I think, is post some pictures on Instagram once I've done that, so you can see little areas and where I've put things. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favourite, and if you've picked up anything exciting recently in Flying Tiger Copenhagen. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. That's really annoying. It's the coat hanger has made a lump, or 2 lumps, and now I've got like a coat hanger shoulder. And that's the bad thing about the coat hangers that are thin. You can fit more clothes into your wardrobe, but then it does that. So I need to fold all my jumpers, I think. Anyway, let's not talk about the coat hangers. We've got things to unbox. So that if you like any of the things that you see in this video, you'll be able to pop into your local Tiger store. Why did I put the washing on? I didn't think this through. Can you hear the washing machine? It's just doing its spin and then... and it's getting louder. Come on, I want to get into this. I'm trying to multitask today, do the washing, do the video. It's not the neighbours or the aeroplanes, it's my own washing. Tiger. Is it called Flying Tiger Copenhagen? Yes it is. Good. Because there's been a full moon recently. No, I'm talking rubbish. Hang on, the washing machine's beeping. 2 seconds. Sorry, back. Now I'm out of breath. I'm either out of breath or just excited about this unboxing. It's like the most exciting unboxing that I could dream of. A Tiger unboxing. It's like, you've got a favourite shop? Tiger is definitely up there with my favourite shops. Nice. I love the design on that. And it's kind of a bluey, well, it's blue. It's a blue, I'm just too excited. I can't get my anything properly out. They're essentially Bulldog Clips. I go and get them.